Hi, welcome to Classic Claws. I haven't been on here for such a long time. I can't remember the last time I was on here, to be honest. But I need to get some more practice in. So I mean, I've been doing my own nails, obviously, but I just haven't been recording them. So I've got a new phone now, so I'm going to hopefully get some more videos done for you. I've also got a Evie hand coming, a silicone hand, which might be a little bit better than the fingers that I had. So when that comes, I'm going to do some on there as well. So this is a very, very, very quick video, probably 5 minutes if that, just to kind of get me back into it really. All CJP as usual. This is their lovely pink, which is fantasy. Oh, excuse me, which is like a nude pink. It's beautiful. So I did a very, very plain set, a bit of an ombre set really, with some very simple glitters, one of which, it's an old one, it says Mega Soft Pink. I have no idea where it's from, or it's probably from eBay, but it just had a few little pink dots in it, a few little sparkly bits, pink and peach and white and what have you. And then I also used the Rainbow Bokeh one. Is that from the Glitter Fairy or the Glitter Planet? One or the other. The Rainbow Bokeh, and that is absolutely brilliant. So I'm just, obviously I've prepped all my nails as usual. It's the same procedure every single time. And I've put these tips on. These tips are amazing. They were from eBay, obviously. They've got no well on them, but they've got a really, really deep C curve on them. Really good. They fit lovely. I've got them in natural and clear, I think. If I can find where I got them from, I'll tell you on the next video. So I'm putting fantasy on, and I'm putting it down as a bit of a base as well underneath my glitter. That's how I started off on my thumb, and then by the middle of my nails I kind of just put it on the end first. I don't know what I was doing, but as usual they always turn out okay in the end, don't they? I put some crystal glass over the top, and that's the bokeh that I'm putting on now. Really lovely, very sparkly. Quite long this set, really long for me, but obviously we're all from home, and I thought, well, I'm not going to damage them too much, so I'll wear them. Had them on for about 2 weeks, and then I've got an orange set on at the minute which I didn't record. So I need to be more mindful and get some more recorded for you. I leave a little bit of filing in for you to see, and then I top coat at the end with my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. And I use the drill as well a little bit in this one, a little tiny bit, and that's it really. There you go. I'm filing. These are very long and very square. You can see I'm filing side walls and the edge, and file underneath, get that side wall nice and straight. I haven't cut my finger. I have got my engagement ring taped up, should I say, so I don't scratch it. So I'm just doing all the sides and the edges first, and then I will go over with the drill. This is a coarse drill bit as well, because there was quite a bit of apex to kind of file down a little bit. And that's it really. I'll leave you to watch the rest, and I will catch you in my next one very soon. So it may be on my hand or maybe on Evie, who I'll have to give a name to. All right then, see you all soon. Love ya. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.